B-O-A-B, baby, we're bums.
Hi guys. I'm sure you noticed there's a little something different right now. The boat's a little lonely at the moment. Oh, you don't want to swallow that water. That's still the Cuban water in our boat right now. So unless you put it through a life straw, you don't want to swallow the water. All right, so I'd really like to just fill everybody in on what's happening. But first, let's make some coffee. Okay. Just being all alone, wow, I really have gained even more respect for those solo sailors. Wow. I'm just surviving and living on a boat. I'm not even traveling on it. And it's not the same without the other two. I'll be honest, I really miss those guys. You know, it's just it's the turning of a page. It's very, very difficult to determine how exactly it's gonna play out. So, Tony and Jared, they left 4 days after we arrived to Key West. The second we got here, they booked plane tickets back home. A lot of things definitely changed on the trip there. Perspective was added. Oh man, so much. Hang on a sec, water's done. Chris, thanks by the way. This thing has been a lifesaver. This makes things so much easier. Good old cup of joe in the morning. Now, normally, this was enough coffee for the three of us. So, I don't know. Might want to take her easy, but I got a lot to do, so I gotta get pumped up. Pump it! You know, I'll say one thing. As a guy just totally alone on a boat, I definitely see how you can really go crazy with it. You can really lose yourself, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, anyways. Yeah, where's that at?
There's like a few rounds. There's two little ones that don't know what they are. It's like a little town.
Mm-hmm. Smells good. It's scentless, really. We use the Joy dish soap and salt water. Scrub. And then you just rinse it out. We've made a lot of headway. We got a boat now, fully functional. We've tested her out. We've got to rebuild our funds a little bit to continue this journey, and just a reassessment, reevaluation. It's not the end of sailing. All right, we ride into town. Set the gas tank here. Okay, so come here, grab this little cleat, tie it off. Grab my gas. Ooh. Wait till you guys see our dinghy. Wait till you see the shape it's in after our Cuba trip. All right, folks, check the dinghy. We lost our center bench when the dinghy flipped. All of these snapped in half, so it's like a, you know, there's no stability. It's pretty gnarly. I don't know if you can even see me, but it's really crazy in here. Old Johnson here, this Johnson is a beast. Came with the boat. It's pretty much every time a first starter. All right, let's see what old Long Dong Johnson's got. Oh, gotta get the universal because I lost our regular one. $10. Wasn't as big of a deal as I originally thought it would be. Had to figure out how to make my own though to get back in. All right, let's see what we got. Boom, choke, let's go, baby. Ah. All right, second try, not bad. Not too shabby. Get all the lines in the boat. Line in, line in. Get this paddle in. Hope. 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 Dagnabbit, go in your hole. I'm drifting. All right. Gonna be a bumpy ride in. Whoops, sorry about that. So you can see my lumpy situation here, and it's hard to keep this baby balanced. Got to kind of sit in the perfect spot. Oh, don't want to run into that guy. Better pay attention. All right, this ought to be fun. Always is. Docking the old dinghy at the dinghy dock. So we got turtle crawls there, you can see coming in. It's a restaurant with a balcony where people get to sit and be entertained as all the boaters try to come in and dock their dinghies. And you'll see this place is packed out. You gotta just squeeze in. Oh, is it gonna be easy today? It looks like we got a spot right away. Oh, come on now. I can't, that's too easy. I'm gonna go around to show you what I usually deal with. There's a spot right there, that never happens. But I'm gonna go around and show you the normal drill. I could just pull right in there, which is literally so rare, honestly. See if we can meander our way in over here, just for fun, just to see. Oh! so tough today. What the heck? Spots everywhere, eh? We'll go there. And whoop. Usually you have to pull dinghies out of the way, step on dinghies. You gotta park behind them and walk across their dinghy. This place is a free-for-all. Key West Dinghy Dock. Was lucky enough to pick up a bike. Not the greatest condition. I found out after I bought it, had to take the front brakes off. And you guys want to know my combo? Too bad. Taking the bike ride. I'm gonna go get some water, cold water, because it sounds good right now. I think I drank too much coffee, to be honest. Oops, where'd you go? Yes, I'm still paying for water. Sometimes it's just nice to have cold water. It's the coldness. Not that we can't get cold water on the boat, but it's not as easy as it sounds. Duval Street. El Duval. Let's take a run down Duval real quick. One blocker. Join the chaos. Let's see how chaotic it gets. All right. Oh, it's always cracking at Duval. Going for it, going for it. All right. Let's get off the main drag. All right, we're coming on to the southernmost point of the United States. And I have two bikers, a couple, following me to the beach. I'm like a local now. They looked lost, looking for the beach. I said, oh, follow me. They're a little behind. Here's the southernmost tip of the United States. There it is. And you have this line all here. This is for taking one picture. Whoa. They are in line to take a picture with the red bullet thing.
I'm here from Broward County, baby.
From Broward County?
Broward County.
Broward County. All right, all right. Oh, sweet place. Just gonna do a little meditation. Just gonna enjoy the beach for a moment. Maybe get a little weird with it, who knows? So, once we got back from Cuba, Tony very quickly felt that he needed to go coach the high school golf team that we coached. They were calling, they really wanted us to go. They wanted both of us, really. And Tony felt whatever it is that got us here, that he should go coach and, you know, help the kids and see where that leads. He's not leaving the boat forever. It's just for a time. You know, we thought we almost died. Believing you're gonna die, whether we were almost gonna die or not, believing you might seriously die, like right now, I think did a number on Tones, a good one. So he just had to go back and check it out, be with the kids, and see where it goes. Jared, same thing. I believe what happened was we all three had worked for a common goal. Let me stand over here. There's some kite surfers killing it. Marit might like that. Let's go, baby. Ah. All right, so Jared, we all three obviously had different motives. Oh. Different motives. You know, and Jared, when we got back from Cuba, he had to go see his grandpa, and also love was calling to Jared. He had to give it a try. He had to give it his all. I think what he found is that's what he wants most. Jared, I'm not sure if he'll be back anytime soon. We might have a new crew member in the future when we continue our journey, but there's a lot to work out now. You guys can tell there's no exact plans here. Yeah. It's beautiful. What's this one say? Robert Frost. 2 roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Yes, Robert Frost, I can relate. I also took a road that is not traveled by many. Not that I'm a Robert Frost by any means, but I have definitely chosen the road that many don't. That's for sure. This is, I believe, for what is to die but to stand naked in the wind and to melt in the sun. I think this is a memorial. Of course it is. Under the boardwalk, out of the sun, under the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun under the boardwalk. I wonder if I'm going to get copyright infringements for singing a song. I doubt it. This is a familiar sight for some, I'm sure, and others have never seen this place. Just a humongous boardwalk. You got the kite surfers, the wash. It's just huge. It goes on and on. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. You know, it's probably more of a place you take a girl on a walk, hold her hand. You know, I'm just a solo dude romping around like a chap at the moment. Just an old chap, chapping around, being chappy. Beep, beep, beep. Bert. Bert, Bert. Oh, looks like the couple found it. There's their bikes. I lost them. They were going too slow. I wasn't about to slow down for those chaps. Putzering around. Time to leave the beach. Here's Powder Puff's Angels coming by here. Powder Puff's Angels. Looks like a mean crowd. You do not want to mess with those guys. I love these guys. Seen them a few times now. This guy is 70 years old. They're the lead singer. Apparently he moved here when he was 28 years. He moved here 28 years ago. He's been playing music ever since. That voice is sexy.
You've been running and hiding much too long. And it's just your foolish pride.
I'm on my knees, hey love. Girl, I'm hey love.
Darling, won't you ease my worried mind?
Just waiting on a server. They don't like to serve me because I'm just a bum with the water, and I'm gonna order clam chowder. Clam chowder.
One that stole my mind.
This will be $5. It's all about falling on a budget.
Either Michael Jackson or Gregory Hines just got reincarnated. I've got every one of those.
You have all of his albums?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, hell yeah. I've been here and he is the absolute
When was the first time you saw him?
10, 11 years ago.
Mm.
And every year do we come back to the same place and have the same amount of fun? No, every year it increases because we get to share it with individuals, friends, and we bring them, and so it becomes more special.
Alright, some friends.
Another turning point, a forced love on the road.
Neighbors around. Sun's beginning to set. Old Captain Barnacle over there. Oh. No. There's Captain Barnacle. There's a few Captain Barnacles out here. Jack later said that a bone to a dog is not charity. Charity is the bone shared with the dog when you are just as hungry as the dog. I liked that. That really made sense to me. Jack London, you are the man. Hold up, I just saw something cool. La 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 la. It's an odd color today. All right, back in the fort. What? Didn't stick. Does that mean it's not done? Or maybe it's not supposed to stick. What? Not a fancy meal by any means. Spaghetti and pepperoncinis, but I have a protein shake I'll whip up and should be good. Should be nice and healthy. It's just the wind chill factor. Whoa, that current's fast. Time to go rinse off. I'm gonna miss you, Shock. Give me a hug. Oh, good girl. You be good. I got some friends watching you. Oh, I'm gonna miss you.
No shirt, no shoes, no problems. Oh yeah, we forgot 'em. Wind on our face, world at our back. As a matter of fact, we're bones on our boat. We're bones on our boat. B-O-A-B, baby, we're B-O-A-B, baby, we're B-O-A-B, baby, we're bones.
These are the tales of Moab.